Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning about 30 common action verbs, again with comprehensible input. Let's dive in. The first verb for today is hold. I'm holding up my umbrella. Today is a rainy day, so I have to hold it up. I'm holding up my umbrella. Past tense, I just held it up. The next one is to balance. I'm going to balance on this rock, this big rock. I'm balancing on one foot. You can try it by yourself too. Good exercise. I just balanced for 10 seconds. Then I'm going to jump. I just jumped. So everyone knows the famous jump, right? You jump, I jump.
You jump, I jump, right?
Yeah, this one from Titanic. Everyone knows it, right? I'm going to pick up this leaf. I'm picking it up. I just picked up the leaf. Look how yellow it is. Feels like autumn in my hand. I'm going to rest on this bench. I'm resting my feet. I just rested for a while, much needed. This is to break. I'm breaking. I just broke the stick into 2 pieces. A useful word here, splash. Kids love splashing water, especially in summer, right? But honestly, not only kids. I like splashing water too. Look, they are splashing the water right now. Yeah, they are splashing. And here is a fun slang for today, make a splash. It means to get a lot of attention or to do something impressive. For example, if you post a really cool vlog and everyone talks about it, you make a splash. So yeah, I hope today's video make a splash too. See that guy over there? He's fishing. Do you like fishing? Past tense, he fished all night last Friday. I'm back. Time to unlock the door. I'm unlocking it. I'm in. I just unlocked the door. I'm going to change my clothes. Yeah, this one. I'm changing it now. I just changed into something warm and dry. I'm going to point at that building. I'm pointing. Can you see it? That's 3 buildings in gray. I just pointed at that building. I'm going to jog along this path. I'm jogging. You may say I'm running instead of I'm jogging, right? Then that's the difference. When you run, you move fast. Maybe you are in a hurry, but when you jog, you are not in a rush. You move at a comfortable speed. You can still talk, still breathe, maybe even smile for your vlog camera. So, run is about speed, but jog is about feeling good. Jogging is between running and walking. Like, this is running. This is jogging. Yeah, I'm jogging. I'm jogging. I can still breathe, still talk to you guys, and still looking at the camera, right? This is jogging, and this is walking. I'm walking. So, my friend, you can totally get the difference, right? A classic activity here, to skip stone. I'm skipping. Whoa. I'm skipping. Whoa! I skipped for 3 times. Now, this one is easy. To smile. Yeah, I'm smiling. I'm smiling. And honestly, I think I'm pretty good at it. Good at smile. You have probably seen this same smile in almost every video on my channel, right? Yeah, I just hope it makes your day a little bright too. Keep smiling. And this is frown. See, I'm frowning. This is a very popular saying, turn that frown upside down. It simply means don't stay sad for too long. Try to smile. Try to smile again, even when things aren't perfect. Past tense, he just frowned. Yeah, he just frowned. Listen, the bird is singing. So comfortable here. And this lady is singing too. It's so common in China that they sing like this. Past tense, he sang a song at the washroom yesterday. I'm going to crumple this paper. I'm crumpling it. I just crumpled it. I'm going to throw it. That's not correct. You should throw it into the trash bin. I'm going to hide behind the curtain. I'm hiding behind the curtain. So this is to hide. And this is hiding also. I'm hiding a hat behind my back. Hiding, hide. I just hid it, right? I'm going to pull the drawer. I'm pulling. I'm pulling. I'm pulling. I just pulled it. I'm going to kick the sofa. I'm kicking. I'm kicking. You normally kick a soccer ball, but I don't have one. I just kicked the sofa. That's hurt. I'm going to fold my clothes. I'm folding my clothes. I just fold everything. So tidy, right? I need to boil some water. The water is boiling.
A few moments later.
The water boiled quickly. I just made a coffee by this coffee machine. I'm going to sip my coffee. I'm sipping it. I just sipped it. Perfect. Very nice coffee. I'm going to write. I'm writing. I wrote this. I miss you so much. Super busy day. I'm going to lie down on the sofa. I'm lying down right now. A little bit cold. I'm going to cover myself with a blanket. I'm covering up. Necessary one for the temperature today. I just lay there for 5 minutes. Best feeling ever. I'm going to light the candle. I'm lighting it. I just lit it. One of my favorite smells makes me feel relaxing. Next verb is to keep going. I'm going to keep going. Keep going learning, keep filming, keep smiling, because every small action is part of your journey. My dear English learning partners, I will keep uploading my English vlogs here on my channel, and you keep practicing and improving your English together with me. So, no matter what happens, let's keep going. Now, I'm going to search for something online. I just searched the best food in Hangzhou. Here is the answer. Last verb for today is to reply. Reply. I'm going to reply to your comments. Reply. I just replied to all of you. Thank you so much for your kind words and for supporting my channel. I read every single comment you leave and I reply to all of them. So, please feel free to tell me your story, your thoughts, or what kind of spotting channel you are interested in, your English learning journey, even where you are located. I really enjoy hearing from you and reply to you. And that's it for today, guys. We learned about 30 new action verbs, from rainy adventures to home activity. Leave a comment below. Leave a comment below. Which verb did you like the most today? Remember, it's not just about learning words, it's about using them in real life. I will see you guys in the next video. And remember, we will become fluent in English together. I'm Ollie. Bye bye. Bye bye.